Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by mapping journeys and tagging segments so offers reach the right person. First, prioritize pages with buying intent like the cart and order confirmation. Those convert best. Once done, choose one clear upsell and one complimentary cross-sell to test. Keep pricing simple and benefits obvious. Make sure to prepare tracking parameters and a baseline metric so you can measure lift. This setup gets you into real experiments fast instead of endless planning. Now build the test variants and implement them. Use one-click upsell flows and lightweight modals in cart to reduce friction, and add a post-purchase cross-sell email sequence for a second touch. Once implemented, wire tracking for clicks, conversions, and incremental revenue using UTMs and order-level events. Make sure to run a /B splits and holdout groups so you can attribute lift accurately. This tells you whether the tactic genuinely increases lifetime value or just shifts purchases. Finish by analyzing results against your baseline. Look at conversion lift, AOV, and customer acquisition cost impact. If a variant wins statistically, roll it out gradually and monitor for negative feedback or churn. Once rolled out, iterate on copy and timing for further gains. If performance is poor, check 3 things: targeting precision, clarity of the offer, and CTA, and whether tracking or attribution is broken. Fix those and rerun the test.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.